All right, I'm getting ready to snow blow for the first time this year. So let's see how deep this snow is. So we're at 6 inches of snow. First major snowstorm of the year. And it's not letting up anytime soon, but I want to get the first layer of snow up. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm pretty excited to get out there and get going. So let's do it. Here's my snowblower that I bought off Facebook Marketplace. Did a lot of work to it. Got it looking good. Already filled up the gearbox, checked the oil level, filled it with fresh fuel. Haven't started it since last year. Got the LED light in there. It's pretty sweet. But this will be my tool of choice. The good old Troy-Bilt Storm. overall, it's pretty clean now, but there's still a few places where I have to go shovel. So a good example is at the front step. All right, check out how covered my truck is. If that gives you any idea how much snow we've had. Yeah, it's pretty substantial. And then check out the hood. You can't even really see the truck under there anymore. And then everything I just cleaned up is already starting to get covered up. Make sure to hit subscribe, the like button. Suburbia Dad is out. Christmas is over. Where are you, light? Let's switch this. One. And a bunch more to go.